In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add parallax scrolling effects in Wix Studio. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Wix Studio account. Open the website where you want to add the effect, and then click Edit Site to enter the editor. Once the editor loads, go to the section of your page that contains the image you want to animate. Click directly on that image to select it. After the image is selected, look for the floating toolbar that appears near the element. From that toolbar, click the Animation and Effects icon. This will open the animation settings for the image. In the panel that appears, find the section labeled Scroll and expand it to view the available scroll-based animation options. From the list of scroll animations, choose Parallax. As soon as you select it, the effect will be applied to the image. This creates a scrolling motion where the image moves at a different speed from the rest of the page, giving the section more depth and a smoother visual feel. If you want more control over how the effect behaves, click Customize. This will open the parallax settings so you can adjust the animation to match the look you want on your site. Take a moment to fine-tune the available options. You can modify the effect until the movement feels balanced and fits naturally with the rest of your page design. Once you are happy with the settings, close the Add Animation panel. Then click Preview to test the result. Scroll through the page and watch how the image responds as you move. This is the best way to check whether the effect looks smooth and whether it enhances the section without being too strong or distracting. If needed, return to the editor and make any additional adjustments. You can continue testing and refining the settings until the parallax effect looks exactly the way you want. When everything looks good, click Publish to make your changes live on your website. Your visitors will then be able to see the updated scrolling effect when they view the page. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.